This short dives into the curious science of yawning, a simple act that hides surprising biology, social signals, and history. Researchers once blamed boredom, but clues point to brain cooling, oxygen balance, and even mirror neurons wiring us to imitate. Anecdotes abound, from soldiers yawning in trenches to office workers catching the contagious ripple during long meetings. Some cultures linked yawning to spirits, while scientists now measure brain temperature changes and map yawns across species. By the end, viewers will see yawning as a doorway into neuroscience, social dynamics, and the quirky history of human physiology.